Next, I'll call State of Arizona versus Adam Smith, CR 2023-00379.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Daniel Noble for the state.
Afternoon, Judge. Adam Zickerman on behalf of Mr. Smith. He's present in custody.
All right, thank you. Quite a long time ago, the court ordered a settlement conference. I haven't heard anything as to whether or not that settlement conference occurred and how it went or anything. I know that there have also been some motions filed, at least one by the defense, as I recall. So I'll just inquire from both parties where we are at this time. And I'll start with you, Mr. Zickerman.
Judge, we did have the settlement conference. We utilized the entire time. There was some resemblance of a resolution, but I think Mr. Noble, I sent a follow-up to Mr. Noble earlier, actually just a couple hours ago, with regards to the determination between which point, option A and option B of resolutions. And I think we just need to talk a little bit more about that. We're fairly close to all of this. And I had agreed to allow him being the state, to delay the response to one of the motions until after the settlement conference, after things. If they still need more time, that's fine. But that's the status of things.
All right, thank you. And just as a reminder, there's a second motion that there's a similar posture on that was originally a motion to remand to the grand jury that was filed by Ms. Marini in this case, as I recall as well, which also is still on hold in terms of response from the state. What's the state's position?
Thank you, Your Honor. And that's correct. And there's also, I think, a third motion that was just filed last week as well. I anticipate I may have to respond to that, but I'll talk to Mr. Zickerman about that. But there was a discussion of a couple of options. Mr. Zickerman reached out to me earlier today with a little bit more concrete idea of what he was asking for that resolution. One of those options. At this time, I'm not going to be able to do that one option that we discussed. And so there's that other option that we would have to go down and follow up, and I'll talk to Mr. Zickerman about that. But as of today, I don't think we have a resolution just yet.
Okay. And the third motion, that was the subpoena request?
Correct. No.
Are you intending to file a response to that?
And yes, Your Honor, I think it's two parts, and so one says the defendant, one says the victim. I'll be objecting on behalf of the victim.
Okay. And the court was holding off, anticipating response time at least. What would you like today?
Judge, with that, I'd ask for a brief continuance. Hopefully we can hammer this last part out. If that does not, I'm just saying brief, if that doesn't pan or yield fruit to the resolution, then we need to set this matter for trial. I would actually, now thinking about it, if we can set up for a trial scheduling conference, possible change of plea, that might be worthwhile.
And because I could also set it for a change of plea on the regular calendar. I don't have any off-calendar dates in front of me for that. Here, I can set that, after the calendar. But at this time, I could either give you a case management conference on September 30th, which is just 2 weeks, or I could set it for a change of plea on October 7th. If we aren't going forward with the change of plea on October 7th, the court could turn around and set a trial scheduling conference quickly after that.
Judge, I'm not available in either one of those days. Is the 14th available?
The 14th is available either for case management conference or change of plea.
That's fine, Judge. Either, however the court wants to note it for that hearing.
And that works for the state. State has no objection with time being waived.
So waived.
All right. I'll set it for a change of plea. It's fine, Mr. Smith, if you decide not to accept the plea agreement on that day, you're certainly not forced into doing that. I only have 4 slots though, so I want to keep it. I want to use that for you if possible. So I'll set that for October 14th at 1 o'clock with time waived until that date. And that'll be all today.